Well, here we go, Jeff. You ready for a short road trip? Doing a shakedown run on Ty's Mustang. Looks like the speedometer is like 5. Yeah, pretty close. Like 4 miles an hour. Slow. Making sure it's good so we can cut it back to him with his new rebuilt Mustang. This car, it's kind of a cool story on it. Sat in a dealership for many, many years in Burns, and he inherited it, brought it to us, had no fluids in it, V8, 4-speed car, beautiful car, and tore it down. Did a 525 LS in it, LS3, 5-speed, coilovers, all right tech suspension, Wilwick brakes, coated the bottom of the car, dyno-matted the whole inside, vintage air, Concept 1 front runner, and rack and pinion, of course, part of the conversion we always do. We did mini tubs in it, narrowed the rear end a bit with the Dutchman, so this car's got a 10-inch wide wheel in the back. These cars could never fit a 10-inch wide wheel in the back, but this one does. Nice fat tire in the back, tucked up in the quarters, it looks sweet. It's so effortless. Get off of there. So we just got back from Milliken in the hot rod. Did great. So did really good. Is that it? I'm just kidding. We just got from Milliken and the car's great. A couple little things to do on it. Not much though. So overall did really well. Steering wheel straight. Car was real smooth. Acceleration was very positive. And yeah. Drew a bunch of attention and got all of our photos we needed. A little drone action, and yeah, so got three things to pick away at, and then hopefully we can cut it back to Ty. So stay tuned for that.